How to change Shopify.com account's currency. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your currency in Shopify. First of all, launch open a web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in shopify.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your Shopify account to get started. Once you're logged into the homepage of Shopify, go ahead and click on the Setting button on the bottom left corner. Once you're inside the Settings tab, go ahead and make sure that you've selected General. Inside General, scroll down and look for the Currency Display button. Go to the three dots right next to your current currency and then click on Change Store Currency. Click the drop down and select a different currency you want to change to for your account. After you do that, go ahead and select one of the regions for changing the currency. You can also leave it as it is since this is an optional action. Now click Save in order to change your currency. So that is how you can easily change your display currency on your Shopify store. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again with these informative videos again. Thanks for watching.